Hi everyone, Sagi here again, and welcome to another lesson in the fun course. In this video, we are going to talk about linear grooves. Alright, and linear playing means that you have just one note at a time. Alright, there is no two sounds or more hitting at the same time. Alright, so it's going to be just the hi-hat or just the snare or just the bass drum. Simply at that. Alright, and before we going into the grooves, I want to go through three basic exercises that will help you to separate your hands from the foot. All right? So let's take a look at the exercises. All right, so exercise number one is just playing singles between the hands and the foot. So it's one note with the hands and one note with the bass drum. All right? And you can start with the right hand or left hand, and you can alternate the sticking. All right? And you can move it around the drums. All right? So this is exercise number one. If you need, start even slower than that, and I recommend start by just playing on the snare at the beginning, and when you feel comfortable enough, start to move around the drums. All right? Now let's take a look at exercise number two. Okay, so exercise number two is to play doubles between your hands and the bass drum. So it's just two notes with your hands and two notes with the bass drum. Right? Again, you can start with the snare and then move it around the drums. All right? So this is exercise number two. Okay, and now the last exercise is to play two notes with the hands and one note with the bass drum. All right, so this is exercise number three. These are three basic exercises that are very important and will help you to separate your hands from the foot, right? And to get the technique that is required for this section. And now I want to show you beat number one, okay, from this section. So you will get the idea of how a beat in linear playing sounds like. All right, so this is beat number one. . So as you can see, I was playing just one note at a time, right? So there is no hi-hat with the snare or bass drum with snare, right? Just one note at a time. All right, so you can use this technique also in fills, all right? And I'm going to play for you fill number one from this section, so you'll get the idea, all right? So this is fill number one. so that's about it. Hope you liked it. I'll see you again soon.